In this video, I'll be showing you my exact entry and exit strategy, guys. So if you look on my charts now, you can see that I've already plotted to my psychological levels. The blue levels are my strong level, while the yellow level is my minor level. And if you scroll down a little bit, you see that my yellow level has been touched multiple times. So without taking much of your time, let's get into today's video. If you are new to this channel and hearing my voice for the first time, you're welcome to This is a channel will make more related videos. If that's the kind of niche you are looking for, you can subscribe to this channel and turn on that bell notification icon so you get notified by YouTube whenever a viral video like this is dropped. And do well to join the community by checking the description menu down below. You see the link to our Telegram group. Join our Telegram group because I normally drop free and accurate signals there, guys. So I don't want you guys to miss out. If you are one of my YouTube subscribers, I really want you to be among our Telegram community so you can benefit from my signals and other beautiful stuff. So without taking much of your time, let's get into this video. And if you want to learn how to beautify your charts like this, my WhatsApp link is down there at the show me down below. You have to reach out to me and I'll help you and get you started to profit making, guys. Let's get into this video. So I do have two strategies I use in terms of exit and entry, guys. So in this situation where price is making higher highs and higher low, higher highs and higher low, higher highs and higher low to my next key level, what I do is that I bring out my trend line. If you look here, you already see my counter trend line. I bring out my counter trend line and wait for price to break and retest it. You get. So here, let me remove this in. This where it says gap created. So when the market was closed and the market opened yesterday night, and this gap was created. This means that during when the market was closed, there were so many activities going on in the market. That was the reason why this gap was created, and price may go back to fill in this gap. So let me just remove this right up, or let's leave it and continue what we are doing. So in terms of this situation where price is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows to the next psychological levels, what I do is that I bring out my trend line, draw my trend line. You need to know how to draw your trend line. Draw it at the week. You draw it at the week. So bring out your trend line, draw the trend line, and wait for price to break it properly well and retest it. Then you look for an entry opportunity, guys, in this kind of situation. Now in the other scenario is that when price is making, let me just say price just move from this key level to this key level, just straight up like that. Okay, let's use this one as an example. Okay, price move from here, from this key level to here, just straight up like this. In this kind of situation, what we do is that we use candlestick as a confirmation, as an entry confirmation, guys. So now we are talking about entry. We use candlestick as an entry confirmation, and you see price just blew past this minor level. Remember, it's a minor level, so just blew past this minor level and came back to retest it, you get, before it starts moving to the upside. So in this kind of situation, we use candlestick as a confirmation. Now let's say price came to this key level. Now the candlestick I work with is a hammer. When price is on the resistance level, I use shooting star and a close below candle. Then when price is at my support level, I use hammer candle and a close above candle, guys. So what I'll be looking at here, you get, I'll be just looking at seeing, I'll be hoping to see a hammer candle. If price will go back, reverse to the downside, I'll be hoping to see a shooting star candle and a close below candle before I can enter this market, this trade. And if you look, price just blew past this level to the upside without meeting my criteria here, without meeting my criteria. So it's cool that way. It's cool. So price now came to this key level and I drew my trend line, and price already broken my trend line, went back to a retest. Now if price broke your trend line, the trend line you plot, what you have to take note of the candle that broke your trend line. You get, take note of the candle that broke your trend line. Price will retest to that very candle. Then now don't enter immediately. You need to have a confirmation. Don't enter immediately. So you need to wait to maybe see a chart pattern or candlestick pattern as a confirmation, guys. Like for this very situation now, I'm looking like maybe saying price will go back to fill this gap, the gap that price created when the market was closed. So I'm waiting for price to fill the gap before I can make any move to short this market, guys. So that's for entry, guys. I don't know if you have any question, do well to comment down below and I'll help you out. You get? So when price is making higher highs or higher lows, you know now, like it's self-explanatory. You see price was making highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So just have to bring out your trend line, wait for a break and retest, look for a confirmation before shorting the market. And the other scenario is that when price just, let me just say, went straight to your key level, you need to wait for a candlestick or chart pattern as a confirmation, guys. A candlestick or chart pattern as a confirmation for you to either buy or sell, guys. So for my exit strategy, I do normally exit my trade before the next key level or psychological level. You get? Before the next key level or psychological level. Let's say I want to short this market. Okay, just move out my position. Let's say, for example, I'm shorting this market here. Now my take profit will be here. My take profit will be here before the next key level. Then my SL, I will bring my SL down. You get? So my SL will be here. Let me give it some breathing space. Okay, let me just leave it that way. Now my take profit will be before the next key level. Then my SL, let me adjust this stuff. Yeah, my SL will be above the other key level. I don't know if you are getting me. You get? So you need to always take trade at key level. You don't have to enter a trade in the middle of nowhere. Take trade at key level so it can give you a good risk to reward, guys. So you can get a good risk to reward. And if you take trade at key level, you get where to place your SL. You know where to place your SL. You know that the key level is just like your backup. So if price break your key level, you know that price is not going in your direction. You don't want a situation where price will hit you out of the market, you get your ass out of the market and still went back to your direction. No, we don't want that kind of situation. So you need to always take trade at key level, place your SL above the key level, and your TP based on your risk to reward. I advise you minimum 1:2. You get? Minimum 1:2. You get? And if you look here now, you see the risk to reward here is 1:9. Pretty cool, awesome. So if you look here, you can see the risk to reward. You can see it here, 1:9. Just this trade, 1:9. If you look here, you see it 1:9. So that's the kind of trade you need to take. You get? Your entry should always be the next key level. Now, if you are working with trend line, let's say you are working with trend line break. Okay, let me use gold. Already made an analysis on gold. Let me use gold to show you this very aspect. Okay, let me go to my daily time frame so you can see it very well. Now you can see that on my daily time frame, I drew a trend line. And I'm sorry guys, let me just try to adjust this stuff. So you can see that this was my trend line on the daily time frame. I drew this trend line. You can see the trend line. I don't know, I don't have much time to adjust my chart so you can see it very well. So price broke my trend line here. You get? Price broke my trend line. Now if I want to enter this trade, what I'll do is that my take profit will be at the 100% retracement. 100% retracement, and this is the 100% retracement of my trend line. Here is the 100% retracement of my trend line. So my take profit will be 100% retracement of your trend line. Take note, 100% retracement. Now see where price broke my trend line here. Price broke my trend line here, and now price is going up to that 100% retracement level. You get, price is going up to 100% retracement level, guys. So I just have to scale down on a lower time frame and look for an opportunity. You get, this market, I'll still go long on this market to target this retracement level. So if I want to go long in this market, what I'll do is that here, let me say I want to enter here, but there's no confirmation for me to enter yet. My SL will be here, you get, below this key level, then my TP will be here, 100% retracement, and before the next key level. You see it, pretty cool, awesome. So I hope this video was helpful. But let me just do a quick recap, guys. If price is, let me say price is just moving straight to your key level, you have to wait for price to form a candlestick pattern or a chart pattern on your key level. But if price is like making structure to your key level, either higher highs or higher lows, or lower highs or lower lows. So like I was saying, if price is making structure to your key level, bring out your trend line, guys. Bring out your trend line. Plot your trend line, wait for a break and retest, another candlestick or chart pattern as a confirmation before shorting or going long. You get, that's it. So if you have any question, just ask me at the ask me at the comment down below and I'll help you out. But if you still need a personal mentorship, my WhatsApp link is down there, show menu down below. Reach out to me and I'll help you out. So thank you if you made it up to this very video. I do really appreciate your good works. Do well to subscribe, like, and stay tuned for our next update. Peace.